Good morning, students. As you know, the fifth chapter, coal and the petroleum, I have completed. Now, again, it's time to begin with the new chapter, number 7, conservation of the plants and animals. Very interesting chapter it is. Yes, in this chapter, we shall learn about that how to conserve the plants and animals as well. As nowadays, we can say that we are too much lazy. Or we can say we are totally selfish as for our selfish reasons as to get satisfaction to us only. Day by day we are cutting down the trees and we are doing deforestation. Yes, we are selfish only because these are only selfish reasons. Because of that only we are cutting down the trees, we are doing deforestation on large scale. So because of that, the number of problems people have to suffer, and we are suffering even. See, even we know that yes, plants are very much important for us. They are very much helpful for survival. Then also we are not understanding. Increasingly, we are going to cut down the trees on a large scale, and we are doing the deforestation on a large scale. So who will face the problem for the same? किसको प्रॉब्लम्स होने वाली है बेटा? Yes, of course, definitely, and the 100% we people have to face the problems only. If the number of trees will become less, the number of problems will increase, and yes, definitely the numbers of problem will increase. As we are cutting down the trees for our selfish reason, we are cutting down the plants. So here we are keeping the life of the animals also in danger. हम लोग हमारे सेल्फिश रीजन के लिए प्लांट्स तो कट कर दे रहे हैं, बट इवन वी आर कीपिंग द लाइफ इन डेंजर ऑफ द एनिमल्स. हम एनिमल्स की जो लाइफ है उनको भी डेंजर में कर रहे हैं बेटा. वी आर कीपिंग द लाइफ ऑफ द डेंजर ऑफ द फोना. हम फोना मीन्स एनिमल्स की भी लाइफ को डेंजर में रख रहे हैं. वाई वी आर डूइंग सो? Why we are wasting the natural resource? In fifth chapter also it is like that only. The natural resources are limited. Here also because of us only, the ecosystem, the atmosphere is totally changed. We with due to the human activities, the nature is totally disturbed. Human activities की वजह से जो nature है वो बिल्कुल disturb हो गया है. As number of trees we are cutting, number of vehicles we are using. So what will happen? The gas of the vehicles, the CO2 which we are releasing, who will absorb the CO2? If once the CO2 will increase in the atmosphere, it is not possible for us to breathe even better. अगर pollution बढ़ता गया और CO2 बढ़ता गया बेटा atmosphere में, so the chances of global warming will be become very much more. Global warming के chances हैं बेटा वो बहुत बढ़ते जाएंगे. So these are only our mistakes. Because of us, whole atmosphere is suffering, whole the life of the animals is also suffering. They also have to suffer because of the us. So in this chapter we shall learn about that how to conserve the plants and as well as the animals. Okay. So too many learning topics are there in this chapter this time. Let me see one by one which topics are there which we have to learn from this chapter. Total 12 points are there that I have to explain to you people. 12 topics are there. Let the first one, deforestation and its causes. Yes, too much we can say disgusting thing which we are doing, deforestation. Okay, deforestation is increasing. Deforestation बेटा क्या हो रहा है? बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. Cutting down of trees, clearing of forest. By cleaning the forest, we are making the factories, homes, and other areas for the enjoyment of us only. Here we are doing the enjoyment, but we are not thinking about our future. हमारे future के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हैं बेटा फिर हम लोग. कि yes, at last only we have to suffer the problem for the same. So why deforestation means cutting down of trees, and what are the causes? हम लोग क्यों कट करते जा रहे हैं बेटा ट्रीज. Consequences of the deforestation. What are the effect on the human lives of deforestation? Human lives पे क्या effect होगा consequences deforestation का, वो हम सीखेंगे. Some of the effect you know, some of the things also you know कि अगर deforestation होगा तो yes ये चीजें हो सकती है. But have you ever done anything in the favor of the nature, in the favor of the atmosphere? No, we have never done. Even we are not growing the plants, even the plants which are already there, we are not giving the water to them at proper time. We know the consequences, we know what are the bad effect will be there on the human life if deforestation will continues like this only. But then also we people are not understanding. पता हमको सब है but हम लोग apply जो real life में करना चाहिए वो नहीं कर रहे हैं. But why the chapters are there in textbook? Very easy chapter it is. Conservation of plants and animals, you know all the things of this chapter. But here the chapters are there to give you knowledge for your we can say practical life. You have to follow the same. यहाँ आप लोगों ने पढ़ लिया, you will say yes we will do, but you have to do the work in the favor of the nature. Then conservation of forest and wildlife. Forest का और wildlife conservation, how to do conservation of them. Okay, that we will see. About then biosphere reserve. About the biosphere reserve, it is an area where these plants and animals are protected. But it is the responsibility of only the that reserves person who are handling that reserves. Yes or no? Yes, no, it is not responsibility of them only, but it is the responsibility of each and every citizen to protect the flora and the fauna. Flora और fauna को हम सबको protect करना चाहिए. It is also responsibility of government to protect the plants and as well as the animals. According to us, the government has prepared so many laws for conserving the animals and the plants. As you know, in the if you're zoo में बेटा घूमने जाते हो तो have you ever hunting किए बेटा कभी आपने? No. You will do anytime? No, it is not allowed in that areas to hunt the animals, to poaching, to catching the animals. If you will do the same, legal punishment will be there. Then you will learn about the flora and the fauna, endemic spices, then wildlife sanctuary, red data book, migration you know beta. Okay, birds and animals are migrating from one country to the another country. Mostly we have seen in the winter season the birds from the other countries are coming to the India because of the extreme cold is there in that a particular region where they are living. जहां पर रहते हैं वो extreme cold हो गया, इसके लिए they are coming to the another country on in that period of time. Okay, तो उसको बोलते हैं migration. Recycling of paper, we will learn about the recycling of paper also, because paper we are getting from the plants. Okay, and paper we are wasting like anything by making aeroplanes, by doing the wrong कट करके उसको पेपर को टीयर करके फेंक देने का. So if number of papers you will waste, so what will happen? Number of trees उनको कट करने पड़ेंगी to make the new paper. It's better the recycling of paper should be there, and yes it is possible also to do the recycling of the paper. If we will do the recycling of paper, so what will happen? जो trees जिसमें से पेपर मिल रहे हैं हमको वो कम काटने पड़ेंगे, because we are doing the recycling. हम उन पेपर का used पेपर का फिर से recycling कर रहे हैं. And the last one is reforestation, or we can say afforestation. We have started with the topic deforestation, at last is the afforestation, means we have to grow the more and the more plants. So these are the learning outcomes which we have to learn. Just see again deforestation and its causes, consequences of the deforestation, conservation of the forest and wildlife, about the flora and the fauna, biosphere reserve, wildlife sanctuary, endemic spices, national park, red data book, migration, recycling of paper, and the last one is the reforestation or the afforestation. So these are the learning outcomes. You saw in the class 7th that Paheli and Bujo had visited the forest along with the Professor Ahmed and the Tibu. In grade 7, chapter was there, number 17, Forest are Lifeline. Yes, definitely, forests are known as our lifeline because the thing which we need and very much important for our survival, that is oxygen. तो from where we are getting, from the trees only, और trees का only mainly present होते हैं forest में. That's why forests are known as the lifeline. तो उसमें बेटा प्रोफेसर अहमद टीबू और पहेली फॉरेस्ट का विजिट कर रहे थे. They were eager to share their experience with their classmates as they have visited the forest. So they want to share the experience of the forest with their classmates. As you people are doing, whenever you are watching any kind of movie, on the very next day in the school, you are sharing the whole story to your friend. You are eager to share कि yes इसमें ये हुआ, इसमें वो हुआ, वहां पर we have seen that and that. So here the Paheli and Tibu also were interested to share the story of the forest with the classmates. They have visited about Kaziranga National Park, Lok Chaho Wildlife Sanctuary, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve and the Tiger Reserves, etc. So here they have visited and they want to share their experience with their classmates. Okay. So today in this video I explained you about the meaning of the chapter, about the learning outcomes of this. We will start the points one by one in detail from the next video. So up to in this video, if you are having any doubt, you can ask from me on the online session. Thank you and have a nice day.